Well, hi there. Today we are going to learn how to make apple cider. Yes, because I also cannot cook. Anyway, this is what you need to follow along. I will also put them in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And with that being said, let's give it a try. We are going to need 4 apples for this recipe. I wish I can tell you what kind of apple this is, but unfortunately for you, I just buy whatever apple I can get my hands on. We are going to destroy this apple into mush, so you can cut it thinly like this, or you can grate it directly into a large pot.
Hey, who are you? What is this place?
This method is a lot faster and I find it easier than using a knife.
Help me!
Wow, this apple smells so sweet!
Oh my god, it hurts!
I'm so glad I chose this recipe.
Somebody please help me!
After that, pour enough water to barely cover all of the apples. Add about 5 centimeters of cinnamon stick. You can switch it with about half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Also, 12 to 15 cloves of, well, cloves. Feel free to stop it with 1 teaspoon of ground cloves. The rest is simple, just boil the apple for at least 1 hour. After that, you can strain the solids out. Of course, there's still so much juice in here, so grab a piece of cheesecloth. Take maybe 1 or 2 spoonfuls of apple and squeeze hot. Sorry about that. Wait until it cools down and squeeze whatever liquid you can salvage. And you're basically done. Pour it into a nice glass. And here we have a glass of apple cider. And now, it's time to review. The most expensive ingredient is, of course, the apples. But since apples are in season, you should be able to get them pretty cheap. You can also switch it with apple juice, but I haven't tested it yet. I find that this recipe is very experimental. By that, I mean you can add or remove ingredients as you wish. It's one of those recipes where every neighborhood moms have their own juicy little secrets. Since we're just boiling some apples, there aren't that many dishes to wash. My cheese grater is a bit harder to wash, but I don't really mind about it. Just a quick rinse with soap water and it's done. And finally, for the taste. It tastes like liquid apple pie, which I really like. The cinnamon and cloves add some kind of warm taste in my mouth. I can see myself drinking this while watching rain from my window. So yeah, it tastes really good. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time.